1. Design. The United States flag consists of 13 horizontal stripes of red and white with a blue rectangle, the Union in the canton, the upper left corner. Inside the blue Union, there are 50 white, 5-pointed stars. These stars represent the 50 states of the United States. Three stripes. The 13 alternating red and white stripes represent the original 13 colonies that declared independence from Britain and formed the first states of the Union. Four colors. The red symbolizes valor and bravery, while the white represents purity and innocence. The blue signifies vigilance, perseverance, and justice. Five. Origin. The first official U.S. flag was adopted on June 14, 1777, by the Second Continental Congress, making Flag Day a celebration of its anniversary. Six. Betsy Ross. Legend has it that Betsy Ross, a Philadelphia seamstress, designed and sewed the first American flag, although historical evidence supporting this claim is limited. Seven. Modifications. The flag has been modified 27 times to reflect the admission of new states to the Union. The current design, with 50 stars, was adopted on July 4, 1960, following Hawaii's statehood. 8. Folding. There is a specific protocol for folding the U.S. flag. It is customarily folded into a triangular shape with only the blue Union and stars visible. 9. Half-staff. Flying the flag at half-staff is a sign of mourning or respect. It is typically done to honor the deaths of prominent Americans or national tragedies.
Pledge of Allegiance. The Pledge of Allegiance is often recited while facing the flag. It was written by Francis Bellamy in 1892 and has undergone revisions, including the addition of Under God in 1954. The US flag is a powerful symbol of the nation's history, values, and unity. It has a rich and storied tradition that continues to be an important part of American culture.